From Diecast Customs. Weird intro to this video. I kind of butchered the beginning of my last one because I got a trade package from Rivera's Hot Wheels, which is the point of today's video. But I showed you guys my address at the beginning of the video because I forgot to block it out in the shipping label like a dunce. So I figured I wasn't going to leave you guys introless and just show me cracking a box at the beginning of the video. So I figured I'd bring you guys upstairs and show you some cool stuff at first. But yeah, in this box, it was a bunch of cool JDM stuff. I sent him a couple supers and some other stuff a little while ago. And he was working on a custom for me, which I think is what took a little while. But dude, it was well worth the wait, as you guys will see at the end of this video. But yeah, I'm thrilled. I'm looking at the stuff. It's on my bed right now. It's too good. It's too good. But yeah, stay tuned. You guys are really going to enjoy the stuff that I'm going to be pulling out of this box in this video. But Rivera's Hot Wheels on YouTube, on Instagram, check him out because he's a top-notch dude. But stay tuned because you guys are going to check out some sweet stuff in just a moment. Bear with me here because I don't want to cut through anything if there's like a thing on top or something, so I'm going to take my time with this a little bit. I'm so excited though. I got home a little early today and I had to do some running around with the girl, and we went out to Target and did some things and came back. I got my Starbucks, so I'm ready to rip, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we got it open. We got tons of packing in here. That's nice. That's nice. We got papers. We got papers. We got papers, baby. Okay. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Let's go. All right. First car I pulled out of the package is the Japan Historics 2 Nissan Skyline C210 in that beautiful purple. I love this series. I have the full series, but this one is going to be a custom because I love this casting. I've only had one, but I can't just drill the one that I got, so I had to get a second. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. That's awesome. What's up here? Oh, baby, we got the custom Datsun 240Z. The Fugu Z from the Cars and Donuts set, guys. This is great. This is awesome. I love it. Oh, those wheels are sick. They're the four spokes, the sweet Japanese style four spokes, the JDM four spokes, but they're black. That's awesome. Oh, this is sick. Dude, thank you so much, dude. I'm so pumped right now. You have no idea. Oh, hey, I almost lost you guys for a second there. Hold on, let me just step back up here. What is happening? Bear with me. Bear with me. We're back. All right, we're back. All right, next up, we got the Nissan 1990 Acura NSX on the Snowflake card, baby. That's a beautiful card, too. I dig it. I dig it. I dig it. This is sick. It's like Christmas morning for me, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let me adjust this camera a little bit for you guys. Turn it down a little bit. All right. Next up, we got... Yes. Yes. Track Day 510, baby. Look at that thing. Whew. That is a beaut. I like it. I love it. That is sick. Next up, we got the Nissan Skyline GTR R34 in black. This is from probably 2013, 2014 maybe. Oh God, that's beautiful. This is so exciting. Oh my God. This custom is ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna save this for last. Holy smokes. All right, look at this. This is another beautiful GTR R34. That's just killer. That's cool casting. Cool casting. Is this the metal spoiler? Metal spoiler? Oh my God, guys. We're here. We're still here. We're still here. Metal spoiler. Hello, everybody. I gotta get work on this. I gotta work something out where I can get things to stay better and stuff like that. I don't want to lose you guys like this. This is getting a little out of hand for me right now. I tell you what. Oh, I see what's going on here. The thing I got it sitting on is rotating on me here. All right. Bear with me here. Next up, beautiful Ken Mary Skyline 2000 GTR. Check that out. That Tampo is something else. That is something else. God, I love these Ken Marys. I have as many of them as I could find, and I'm thrilled to add this one. I have the first edition, the pearl white one. It's a beaut. This one is it might even beat it out. If not, it is a super duper close second. I tell you what. That's pretty awesome. Whew. All right. He sent me a couple. This is amazing. All right, we got random custom in here, he says. Random custom. This is sick. This is sick. I love Porsches. I love Porsches. Don't fall again on me, phone. Please bear with me here. Look at this. Look at this Outlaw. Look at this 956? 356. 356A Outlaw. Killer. Color shift paint. Decals. Oh, that's bad. That thing is bad. I love it, man. That's sick. That's awesome. Wow, this is cool. This is sick. I love this kind of stuff. Thanks, Ed. Man, Rivera, you're the man, dude. This is awesome. This is making my day. Whew, this is something. I can't even got words for this. I saw this thing in the bottom. Oh my God. I sent him a 2000 GT, like I said. I didn't know what to expect. I thought it was going to be plain Jane. I didn't expect a full-blown freaking race car. Wait till you guys see this thing. Let me get this out of this little protective baggie here. Whoa, dude. Guys, look at this. We got an Advan Deco 2000 GT. Dude, this... Rivera, man, you outdid yourself with this. I cannot thank you enough, man. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Guys, check this thing out. With those 4 spokes and everything. Oh my God. This is just too much, man. Too much tuna. Oh my goodness. I am in love with this thing. Holy shit, guys. Wow. This is one of my favorite pieces of my collection, hands down. Hands down. Wow. I don't have any other words, man. Rivera, dude, you really outdid yourself, man. This is amazing. God, this is just so cool, dude. I don't even have words. Just look at this, guys. Just look at that. Taillights done. Everything that should be done is done. And it's even riveted back together. That looks factory, guys. Look at that craftsmanship. If you guys don't follow Rivera's House on YouTube, you need to go check him out. Top-notch work. He's a top-notch dude. Just a genuinely good dude overall. Great dude to follow and a great person. He even did the mirrors. That's awesome. Check that out. Oh, that's killer, man. I'm just going to stare at this thing all night long and just keep noticing cooler and cooler stuff about it. This is just so bad. This is so bad, man. Badass, dude. Man, Ed, you were Rivera, dude. Too much. Is this all? That's all, right? Yeah. Oh my God, I even got some of these in here. Got some decals, baby. I forgot about that. Oh, that's awesome. I don't have any waterslide decals till now. We're going to be seeing some sweet Brie customs coming up, guys. Stay tuned for that. Whew, God, this is just... I don't even know what to do. I just want to check that shit out. Damn. Rivera, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, man. This is like hands down, like probably the best box I've ever gotten in the mail from anybody. Let me just run this stuff by you guys one more time. Let me pull some of the main lines out. God, I'm like shaking. This is crazy, man. Holy smokes. All right. We got the two R34s. We got the Ken Mary, and we got the NSX on the Snowflake card. We also have the Track Day 510. God, that's a beaut. That's a beaut. We got the Fugu Z, also a sick casting, one that I don't have, that I'm happy to add. An extra C210 Skyline. The sick Outlaw 356A Outlaw Porsche Custom. Urban Outlaw. That's cool. That's cool, man. I dig it. And then we got the piece de resistance here. We got the Advan Deco 2000 GT. God, this is killer, man. This is killer. Ed, thanks again, man. I really can't thank you enough for this kind of stuff, dude. I can't wait to get upstairs and start hanging this stuff up. I might crack some things for sure. I'm definitely cracking some things. But man, this Advan 2000G is going to fit into my collection perfectly. Perfectly. Thanks again, man. Everybody, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking this video out. Stay tuned. Like I said, I keep saying I'm going to do some custom videos, but stay tuned because eventually I'm going to pop in some custom videos. I'm going to start doing some filming for you guys upstairs, see if I can edit some things together so it doesn't look so choppy and stuff. But, yeah, thanks for stopping in, guys. And, I gotta go upstairs and calm down a little bit because this is just hot. This is too hot. It's a little chilly out, but goddamn, I'm hot. You guys enjoy the rest of your night, all right? Peace, guys.